Look at me go, look at me flex, it's not a plane, more like a jet, I the song, we ain't impressed, then she heard me.
You wake up fully rested, super refreshed. You eat a balanced breakfast of yummy, rich, satisfying food, coupled with highly nutritional energy products. It's one of those crisp, sunny mornings, like it's the first day of spring. You know what I'm talking about. Now you're driving and the soft air fills your body. You're headed to the mountains, maybe the beach. Pull up, jump out, breathe in the air. You can't contain yourself. You start running towards the waves. Or if you're in the mountains, one of those crystal blue pools. You don't slowly ease in. No, you thrust your body in. Cold water hits your face, and for a moment, all your obstacles disappear. You feel weightless. That's the definition of unencumbered. All right, welcome to my channel. My name is Steven Mermelstein. Thank you for being here. I appreciate you guys so much. I want to talk about living a life unencumbered. But first, let's do a little cinematic breakfast. No music, just all those amazing breakfast sounds. Here we go. So I got a phone call in 4 a.m, and it was my daughter. She's in France right now, and I think there's 9 hours difference, something like that. And she calls me, and she needed some help navigating the city of Lyon. And then I go to check my phone, and it says one of you subscribers said congratulations to 100 subscribers, and I was just like so excited about that. Yeah, and you know, finally reaching 100, it just feels like from here I can just, you know, launch out and even go farther than that. Oh shit, let me check this if I'm recording. I don't know if I pressed I don't know if I pressed record on the... Yeah. Okay, it's good. We are good. I've had this dream my whole life, in this belief that you could do something that you love and get paid for it. And as they say, you wouldn't work a day in your life. I realize only a small percentage of people on this planet ever obtain that. Am I just an idiotic dreamer that has had over 60 jobs in his life, only because I can't work for anybody other than myself? As the songwriter says, you gotta have high hopes for a living. I want to reach 250, and if we reach 250, my goal, if I reach that goal of 250, I'm taking the whole family out to Salty's, which is a seafood restaurant. It's probably going to cost like $300+. They have the seafood tower, just crazy, amazing seafood from the Pacific Northwest. 500 subs, I'm going to get like some really expensive cigars, like a box of 25, probably $450. And I've never smoked a cigar of that quality. They're supposedly rated at 98. They rate these from 0 to 100. 1,000 subs. I want to get a half sleeve tattoo. A solid something going on in this forearm right here. I've been wanting that for a while. That's if we reach 1,000. Anything after that, then we'll have to readjust our goals or sort of the carrot in front of me to motivate me.
She's just a girl. She lost her way, although she stays, she's never yours. She doesn't breathe, she doesn't leave when she's with you. She scratches red and cuts too deep, there's nothing left to do.
I love this idea of having my life and work in the palm of my hands, not a slave to somebody's machine. I don't take away from anybody's noble career choice because they have to take care of their family. I'm at a place in my life where my kids are all grown and they all have great jobs. I can return to my 20s if I want, with all the wisdom of being older. I have nothing to prove anymore. I can give two shits about how I look to others. I am made perfect in God's love.